Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a quick sample of how to create your writing folder if you have it already or you're having trouble with it and making sure that things are shared with me. So I'm in my Google Drive, so I'm going to go to New and Folder, and I'm going to call it UWRT 1104 Writing Folder. Create. Now I'm actually going to open this folder over here. It may pop up if you scroll down, like I've done a couple of samples here also, but I'm going to click on my folder. It's empty. So I might decide to do a folder and call it Daily Work. I might also decide to do a little subfolder for studio work. You can decide to do daily work as a single file. I think I suggested that also, and I'll show you kind of how that works. One of the reasons that I suggest it is just so it's kind of easy to keep things in order. You can do what I call adding this table of contents, and then you can add the date, like January 24th, or you can add like entry 1, what is good writing. And then when you go down here and you start, so let's say we start our first entry, you can go to format, go to paragraph styles and go to heading 1. What is good writing? Okay, you might not want to make yours that big, but get the idea, make it a little bit smaller. Okay, and then you can go up here and refresh it, and here is your like table of contents. You can click on it so you can keep adding new entries and lists up here, new titles every time you add a new one, and it just refreshes and updates. So when you go to find work you've done, you can just go to your table of contents and click on it, and it's super easy. So that's just one suggestion. The things you want to make sure of, here's something. I'm just going to make this screen a little bit bigger so you can see. Well, I need to make it wider. There we go. So I can go up here. So say you have a file that you need to share with me, or you need to make sure other people can see. One thing to get in the habit of is making sure that you go up here to this share button. Oh, sorry, let me title it anything really first. And make sure that you're paying attention to this. So this says restricted only people added. So if can open this link. So no one could really view or use this, view your work unless you specifically added their name in here. What you want to do is make sure that people at UNCC can view this link. That means if you send it to me, you send it to a peer, you were doing a workshop, anybody could see it. And here's what you also want to check. Here where it says viewer, you want to make sure that you've either done commenter or editor. Editor is usually what I suggest for things that you share with me. And sometimes I will, if I need to see something, check for editing access. For peers, you can give commenter access. But you want to make sure that anyone with a UNC Charlotte email can comment on your documents for the purposes of class. So you want to get in the habit of checking your share settings to make sure other people can view it. When you go back to your folder, here's what you're going to submit to me. You're going to go here and you're going to get this share link. Again, we're here, it's restricted. You got to go to UNC Charlotte. You might want to do, editor or commenter access, and then that's the link that you are going to give to me. So copy link, and that's what you submit to me. Okay, so you just want to get in the habit of checking your share settings, because not everything that you include would people be able to see? And then you want to make sure that you're adding things, you know, to this folder, because once it's shared with me, I can go here from your assignment where you're going to submit the link and see anything. Okay, so just a friendly reminder that you need to get your link in by 11:59 p.m. tonight, and please let me know if you have any questions or run into any problems with this. Peace.